Here we have page 177. It's lesson 3.7, page 177. Rational numbers in the coordinate plane. This is a coordinate plane. How do you plot ordered pairs of rational numbers on a coordinate plane? So you need to read through this because you want to know all these parts. You want to know that the origin is 0, 0. The vertical axis is the y, the horizontal is the x, and that you always list the x first in a set of ordered pairs and the y is second in a set of ordered pairs. So you need to know these terms right here, okay? Read through that. And we always move left or right first, then up and down. So we're going to do unlock the problem and work through these. Directional words are important in this whole category. Right, left, up, down, north, south, east, and west, north, south, east, and west, right, left, up, and down. A screen in a video game shows a coordinate plane. The points P, Q, R, and S represent treasure chests. Write the ordered pair for each treasure chest. So I'm going to come down here and we're going to find the coordinates of each point. To find the coordinates of point P, start at the origin. So here's P. I'm going to start here at the origin, move 2 units to the left, and then I'm going to move up. I'm going to move here over to here, and then 3 units up. So I went left and up, Okay, so point P is located at -2, 3. Point Q, we start at the origin. I'm looking at this red dot. I go back 3 and down 3. So it's at 3, -3, -3. R is over here. So I'm going to go to the right 4 to where it lines up. That's the X. And I'm going to go up to 3, which is the Y. And S, notice it's right on the axis. So I don't go left or right at all. So my X value is 0. And I go down 2, which is -2. Okay. Make a conjecture about the X coordinate of any point that lies on the Y axis. So if I just plot a point right here, that's on there, my X is going to be 0 and 4. If I plot a point at -3, my X is going to be 0 and -3. So when it lies on the y-axis, my X is 0 always. Explain why 2, 4 represents a different location than 4, 2. Well, your X's and your Y's matter. This one, you're going to go you're going to go right and up. So you're going over here and up. This one, you're going right 4 and up 2. So you're going all the way over here and up, whereas this one, you're going over and up. So different values for different coordinates. It's like your GPS on your car. Okay, the other side. This is where it gets a little hard. So we're going to do the best we can with this, with the fractional values. Okay, 2, -1/2. We're going to graph and label the point. This is point A. Do you see that A right there? Start at the origin. The X coordinate is positive. So I move right 2 over to here. The Y coordinate is negative. Move a half unit down. So here's a whole unit. Here's a half unit. So it's going to be plotted right here. And then it's going to be labeled A. Okay. Plot B on there. -0.5. 0.5 is the same as a half. So I'm going to go, the X coordinate is negative. So that means I move left, or up, that should go over here. I move negative, I move 0.5 units to the left. So I start here and I'm going to go to the left 0.5. That's half the distance. The y coordinate is 0, which tells me the point lies on the x-axis. It lies right here. And that's labeled B. It's on the x-axis. Plot and label it B. We did that. Here's C. Now we got a bunch of halves here. Move 2.5 units to the right. It's right here. So over and up. Okay. Move 3/4 unit up. So that's, I'm going to guesstimate that. I can't get that exact, but I go over 2.5, up 3/4. Here's one hole, so it's somewhere right about there, halfway between a half. Okay, move 1.25 units to the left because it's negative, and I'm going to move 1.75 units down because it's negative. Okay, and I'm going to label it D. So 1.25, so somewhere in here, it's not quite to a half. Down 1.75, so it's not quite to 2. It's going to fall there. I'm going to label that D. So with the halves and the decimals, try to get close. Okay. And that is the end of the lesson, and we'll be starting the share and show. I'm going to do this, and then we'll do a different video for share and show. Write the ordered pair for J. Here's J. So we go over to 1.5 and up to 2.5. Move 1.5 units to the left and move 2.5 units up. Negative 1.5 and 2.5. Again, get close with the decimals and the fractions. We haven't done a lot with that. Write the ordered pair for K. So it's to the right 1 and down 1.5 or 1.5. They're both negative. This is negative, that's positive. M or L. L is right here. So I'm going to go left 2, down like 1 3/4. So left 2 is negative 2. Down is negative 1 and maybe 3/4. Just guesstimate that. And then M, it's right 1, so that's my X. And I don't go up or down, it's 0.